Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Oh, caramba. Tenho que explicar a minha camiseta que está escrito.
He has to explain his T-shirt. Somebody pointed out that it says mayo, and so he wants to explain.
Todos os...
So all men are born equal, but the best are born in May.
Why? Because the month of May is the month of Our Lady. And I was born on the 24th of May.
O senhor nasceu?
Yes.
So he was born on 24th of May.
Yeah.
O senhor tem o seu.
And today is a special day for our friend Chris, because when foi proclamado, como se diz?
Da independência?
Yes, when in the day of independence of the United States, he was present in Philadelphia.
In Philadelphia. He's not that old. Yes.
So, Father's trying to embarrass me unannounced. Today is my birthday. He's trying to give me credit for the independence of America, but I wasn't born yet, and Father's very, very humorous. So,
Yes, so happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Yes. When I became a priest, he was born.
Yes. Yes, I am as old as he has been ordained a priest, the same year.
Yes.
So that's what he's saying. So,
Yes, yes.
Thank you for being a priest.
Muito bem.
Obrigado por ser padre por 53 anos.
Thank you, obrigado. Meus queridos irmãos,
My dear brothers and sisters,
no dia do Senhor, este domingo,
today, in the day of the Lord, Sunday,
quero transmitir para os senhores a beleza, a alegria e o esplendor de uma pessoa
I want to transmit to you the beauty, the splendor of this person
que deu toda a sua vida
that gave all his life
para as pessoas menos favorecidas,
to the less favored people,
crianças,
children,
pessoas idosas,
senior people,
Pobres.
elderly, poor people,
e que se transformou em uma grande santo da igreja,
that he became one of the greatest saints of the church.
e como nós poderemos notar amanhã,
And as we are going to see tomorrow,
Deus o escolheu para ser o confessor da Luísa Picareta.
God chose him to be the extraordinary confessor of Luisa Picareta.
E além desta tarefa,
And of this work, and beyond this
sim.
work,
ele se tornou também o corretor de todos os escritos desta candidata aos altares.
he also became the corretor? Corretor?
Corretor, revisão.
He was chosen by God to revise her writings. Not all of them, some of them.
O nome desta pessoa é
The name of this person is
Aníbal Maria de Francia,
Aníbal Maria de Francia,
que foi o fundador da minha congregação religiosa.
which he was the founder of my congregation, religious congregation.
Ele nasceu no ano 1851
He was born in 1851
e veio falecer no ano 1927.
and he passed away in 1927.
Toda a vida dele
All his life,
realizou-se na Itália,
all his life he spent in Italy,
especialmente numa ilha chamada Sicília,
especially in this island called Sicily,
na cidade de
in
Messina,
the town of Messina,
onde ele hoje é muito venerado
where today he is very much venerated,
e onde descansam os seus restos mortais.
where his remains are laid there in Messina.
Aníbal Maria de Francia
Aníbal Maria de Francia
pertencia a uma família
belonged to a family
muito devota de Nossa Senhora.
His family was very devoted to our Blessed Mother.
Tiveram 4 filhos,
They had 4 children,
todos os 4 com o nome de Maria.
all 4 of the children had Mary's name.
A primeira foi Maria Catarina,
The first one is Maria Catarina.
o segundo
The
foi
second,
Maria João,
like we say, John Mary.
Mary John.
Mary John.
Mary John. Yes, on the first name Mary.
The
So
first
for
name
2
was Mary.
men, but Mary the first name. The third figlio,
The third child.
Maria Annibal.
The third child was called Maria Aníbal.
And the fourth, Maria Francisco.
The fourth is called Maria Francisco.
Exato. All the 4, os 4 filhos, todos com o nome de Maria.
All the 4 children had Mary's name
Porque a família era muito devota
because his family was very devout of our Blessed Mother.
Padre Annibal sempre contava con allegria o erro che foi cometido
Father Aníbal always counted with happiness the error that was committed
no escritório do registro.
Da igreja.
Sei, no? Quando for registrar com o nome de mulher.
O senhor pode falar de eu traduzir?
Exato. Quando ele nasceu e foi registrado, o primeiro nome foi Maria, não Aníbal.
So when he was born and he was in the register, his name, right? His name was Maria, registered in the county, let's say.
Exato. Aníbal perdeu o papai quando tinha somente 15 meses.
Vamos explicar essa história de que ele foi dado o nome de Maria, mas daí o que ele fez para corrigir?
Ele nasceu com o nome de Maria, né? E como também os irmãos dele. Todos com o nome de... porque a família era muito devota.
Mas o que ele foi fazer daí foi clarear alguma coisa do nome?
Não, ele ficava muito contente por este erro.
So I think he just wanted to clarify here that he was always very happy because it would be like an error, right? That he was given a name Maria, which is a female, but he was happy. It was not an error. His parents intentionally wanted to call him first name Maria.
Exato.
So he was happy with this, but some people would say that, oh, that's a female name.
Exato. In the family of Father Annibal,
In the family of Father Aníbal,
a primeira filha,
the first daughter,
Maria Catarina,
Maria Catherine, let's say,
casou,
got married.
esatto, formou a sua família.
She raised her family.
O segundo filho,
The second son,
Maria João, Mary John,
Mary John,
não
John.
casou, não
he
casou.
didn't get married.
Ele se tornou advogado
He became a lawyer,
e faleceu muito novo.
and he passed away young.
Aníbal Maria se tornou sacerdote
Aníbal Maria became a priest,
e o último, Francisco,
and the last one, Francisco,
também se tornou sacerdote.
he also became a priest.
Francisco, último, nasceu depois da morte do papai.
So the last child, Francisco, was born after the father passed away.
E a mamãe deu para o filho o mesmo nome do marido.
So the mother gave the o último, deu o nome para o último filho?
Sim.
And so the mother gave the name for the last son the same as the father, his father.
Quando o padre Aníbal tinha 15 meses, perdeu o papai que estava com 38 anos.
So when Father Aníbal was 15 months old, his father passed away. He was 34?
38.
His father he was 38 years old.
A mãe do padre Aníbal ficou viúva
So the mother was a widow now,
com 3 filhos
with 3 children,
andando
walking,
e na barriga.
and one was in her womb.
A mamãe estava somente com 23 anos
The mother was only 23 years old.
e não sabia como fazer para criar os
And
filhos.
she didn't know how to raise the children, how she was going to take care of them.
Por isso, ela entregou o pequeno Aníbal
So she gave Aníbal, the little one,
para uma senhora idosa
to an elderly lady
que era também pouco parente.
that was a distant relative.
Mas esta senhora
But this lady,
não conhecia muito como fazer para educar.
but she also didn't know how to educate this kid.
E quando o pequeno Aníbal
And when little Aníbal,
fazia alguma coisinha errada,
when he used to act as any kid does,
esta senhora trancava o
She-
pequenino num ambiente escuro.
so when he used to act up or something, do something wrong, she used to lock him in a room that was dark, in a dark room.
E o pequeno Aníbal chorava
And the little Aníbal would cry,
sem saber que estaria nascendo nele trauma para a escuridão.
so he didn't even know that he was actually having a trauma of afraid of darkness.
Durante toda a vida de Padre Aníbal,
During all his life,
ele faleceu com 76 anos,
when he died, he was 76 years old.
ele não conseguia dormir
He couldn't sleep.
sem ter uma vela acesa,
He couldn't sleep without having a candle lit.
com trauma que nasceu quando ele era
So
pequeno.
he lived with this trauma since he was very little.
Com a idade de 6 aninhos,
When he completed 6 years old,
ele foi estudar num colégio
he went to study
e num colégio dos monges cistercenses.
He went to study with
Ordem Benedettina,
in a monastery
monastério.
of the Benedictine
Esatto.
monastery.
E neste monastero vivia meninos de famílias boas.
So in this monastery, there were kids that lived there were from wealthy families.
Só que os meninos não gostavam da vida de disciplina.
So these children there, they didn't like the life of discipline.
Dia,
One day,
pobre que estava com muita fome
then one day there was a poor man that was very hungry.
tocou o sino
He rang the bell,
pedindo alguma coisa para comer.
asking something to eat.
Levaram este pobre no
They
refeitório
took this poor man in the, let's say, the people where the place where they eat, the dining room.
e os meninos começaram a gozar dele.
And then these boys, they start making fun of the poor man, hungry man.
Pegavam pedaços de pão
They used to get pieces of bread and throw on him.
e atiravam para o pobre. Cascas de bananas
The banana peel they would throw in this poor man.
e o pobre não conseguia comer.
And the poor man couldn't even eat.
O pobre se levantou
The poor man stood up
e foi embora
and went away,
com mais fome ainda.
more hungry yet.
O pequenino Aníbal
The small Aníbal,
não gostou de ver isso.
he did not like to see this.
Se levantou,
He stood up,
pegou uma cesta,
he got a basket,
colocou pão,
he
fruta,
put bread, fruits,
outra comida,
and other foods there in the basket.
saiu do mosteiro
He got out of the monastery
e foi entregar nas mãos do pobre.
and he gave in the hands of the poor man the basket.
O pobre ficou muito comovido
The poor man was very emotional
e começou a chorar.
and he started crying.
Este gesto determinou o futuro da vida deste menino.
This gesture determined the future of this little boy.
Até hoje, Padre Aníbal Santo
Until today, Father Aníbal, saint,
é reconhecido
is recognized
no mundo inteiro
in the whole world
como pai dos pobres
as father of the poor
e pai das crianças pobres,
and father of the poor children.
devido à grande caridade
Because of his great charity
que ele fazia todos os dias,
that he performed every day,
mesmo não tendo nada,
even not having anything,
mas confiando na divina
but
providência.
always trusting in divine providence.
Padre Aníbal sentiu o desejo
Father Aníbal felt the desire
de tornar-se sacerdote
to become a priest.
e quando lhe faltava poucos meses
And when was a few months left
para ser
to
sacerdote,
become a priest,
ele se encontrou
he met
com jovem
with a young person.
cego,
He was blind.
sujo,
He met this blind, dirty young
pedindo
man
esmola
asking for,
E padre Aníbal perguntou: onde você mora?
So this beggar was there, and then Father Aníbal asked him, "Where do you live?"
O moço respondeu
This young man responded,
dizendo o nome do bairro mais esquecido pela cidade.
so he answered that I live in that place that was not known in the city.
Onde ninguém botava pé,
Nobody would go there,
nem as autoridades da cidade
not even the authorities of the city would go there,
e nem os padres.
not even the priests would go there.
Padre Aníbal deu uma esmola
Padre Aníbal gave him some token
e disse: eu vou te visitar.
I am going to visit you there.
E entrou naquele bairro
So he went in that town
muito esquecido pela cidade,
that was not known by anyone.
onde, repito, ninguém botava pé.
Nobody would go there.
Quando ele entrou naquele bairro,
When he came to that town,
havia 200 barracos de madeira.
there, barracos?
Barraco.
Não é.
Grapes, tipo de grapes.
There was 200 houses, but very simple ones.
Casas horríveis,
Very, very bad, like slums, let's say,
com
slums.
muito fedor.
That was very stinky.
Padre Aníbal percebeu que de barraco saía fedor diferente.
So there was a slum that he noticed that was a bad odor, a stinky smell that was different coming from that
E
one.
perguntou:
And he asked,
quem mora aí?
"Who lives there?"
Responderam:
They answered,
moram 4 idosos.
There's 4 elderly people that live there.
Era verdade,
It was true.
mas dos 4 idosos
But one of these elderly people,
já estava morto
was already dead.
há 4 dias.
So one of them was already dead for 4 days. That's why it was stinky.
Foi Padre Aníbal
It was Father Aníbal
que chamou uma funerária
that called a funeral home
para dar sepultura
to
àquele homem.
do the funeral to that man,
Naquele bairro,
In that town,
ninguém sabia ler ou escrever.
nobody knew how to write or read.
Os meninos não frequentavam a escola.
The children wouldn't go to school there.
Os pais obrigavam os meninos a pedir esmolas.
The parents would oblige their children to ask to be beggars.
E as meninas eram obrigadas a prostituir-se.
So the boys the parents would ask them to be beggars, and the daughters, the parents would tell them to work in prostitution.
E se voltavam para casa sem dinheiro,
And if these children would come back without money,
eram castigados.
they would be punished.
Padre Aníbal não queria acreditar ao que estava vendo.
Father Aníbal could not believe what he was seeing.
Ele comprou 2 barracos
So he bought 2 houses, simple houses,
e começou a preparar uma sopa
and he started preparing some soup
para os meninos
for the children.
e o perfume da sopa atraiu muitas pessoas.
And the smell of the soup attracted many people.
Aos poucos,
Little by little,
as pessoas se aproximaram do Padre Aníbal,
people would come to Father Aníbal,
ao passo que os membros do clero
that as the people were coming to Father Aníbal, the clergy
pensavam que Padre Aníbal não estava certo de
the
cabeça.
clergy of the area, they would say that, oh, Father Aníbal is not well, he is crazy.
Poucas semanas depois
A few weeks later,
que o Padre Aníbal botou o pé neste bairro,
that he stepped foot in this town,
ele foi ordenado sacerdote.
he was ordained a priest a few weeks after.
Mas aconteceu que o bispo da
But it
cidade
happens that the bishop of the city
convocou
called
os 19 jovens que se tornariam padres
he called the 19 seminarians that would be priests
com os seus familiares
with their families
para comunicar
to communicate to them
onde começariam a passar o seu tempo como padres.
where they would spend their time as priests.
Numa paróquia perto do mar, numa paróquia da cidade, numa paróquia nos montes, em vários lugares.
So he was showing where are they going to be. Senhor, just a minute, let me understand what he wants to say.
So, o bispo levou ou quem que levou? O Padre Aníbal levou?
Não, o bispo chamou para comunicar.
Comunicar?
Sim, foi aí que o Padre Aníbal foi para dizer diferente. Eu vou explicar agora.
So, o Padre Aníbal que levou esse seminarista para ver onde que...
Não, o bispo chamou todos os seminaristas para comunicar
Aonde que iam?
com eles.
So the bishop called the 19 seminarians and told them where would they go when they become priests. Some of them by the beach, some of them by the mountain.
Na praia, na montanha?
Sim, nas várias paróquias.
In the several different parishes, where would they go?
Naquele dia,
In that day,
muito cedo de manhã,
very early in the morning,
o jovem Aníbal
the young Aníbal,
foi na casa do bispo
he went to the bishop's house
e quis conversar com o bispo
and he wanted to talk to the bishop
e disse: Excelência,
and told the bishop, Your Excellency,
eu não sei aonde irei viver a minha primeira experiência de padre,
I don't know where I'm going to be, in which parish I'm going to be as my first experience as priest.
mas eu peço para o Senhor
But I ask of you
que me deixe naquele bairro que eu estou frequentando.
that you leave me in that town that I'm working there with the poor.
O bispo ficou muito assustado.
The bishop was very frightened.
Cancelou a reunião
He canceled the meeting
para reestruturar diferente
to restructure this,
e permitiu ao padre Aníbal
And-
de viver com os pobres naquele bairro.
but he eventually permitted Father Aníbal to stay in that town, poor place.
Padre Aníbal, com os seus pobres,
Father Aníbal with the poor
pensou dia numa grande graça.
one day he thought of a great grace,
Colocar dentro do bairro uma pequena igreja,
to put in that town a little church,
não grande como esta,
not big like this one,
pequena,
small,
mas com Jesus.
but with Jesus.
E preparou os pobres
And he prepared the poor,
por 2 anos
so he trained the poor kids for 2 years,
e conseguiu da parte do bispo a licença para colocar Jesus nesta barraca dentro do bairro, digamos assim, muito mal reconhecido.
So he got the green light from the bishop. The bishop authorized him for him to have this little church with Jesus in this town that was so poor, so filthy. The bishop allowed him to do so.
A partir daquele dia,
After that day,
as coisas mudaram como da noite para o dia.
after that day, the things change like from day to night.
As pessoas começaram a batizar as crianças,
The people start baptizing their children.
os meninos começaram a ir na escola.
The children start going to school.
Padre Aníbal comprou outros barracos e colocou uma oficina para as meninas aprender trabalhos.
Father Aníbal bought more houses and had the girls start doing crafts and sewing.
E aquele bairro começou a ter comportamento
And
diferente,
that town started having a different behavior. It was different.
porque as pessoas também notavam
Because the people would notice,
o amor que o povo tinha para o Padre Aníbal
people would notice that the love that the people from the town had for Father Aníbal.
e ajudava em tantas maneiras diferentes.
And then they would help in many different ways.
Tivemos durante a vida de Padre Aníbal 2 grandes eventos de muitas lágrimas.
During the life of Father Aníbal, there are 2 events of great tears.
O primeiro foi
The first one,
o tremor de terra
the earthquake,
no dia 28 de
28th
dezembro,
of December,
que matou
that killed
em 34 segundos
in 34 seconds
mais de 100.000 pessoas.
more than 100,000 people.
E segundo grande evento negativo,
Then the second negative event,
a Primeira Guerra Mundial.
the first World War.
Resultado, no Padre Aníbal, muitos meninos que perderam o papai ou a mamãe no tremor de terra ou na guerra,
So many children that lost their father or mother either on the earthquake or during the war
foram entregues ao Padre Aníbal porque não tinham nada para poder viver.
They came to Father Aníbal because they had no one and nothing to live.
E assim o padre Aníbal conseguiu o empréstimo de algumas casas
So
para hospedar os meninos.
So in this way, Father Aníbal got some loans to buy a better, bigger place to care for those orphans.
Todos os dias aumentava o número destas crianças.
Every day the number would increase of these orphans.
E ele, Padre Aníbal, batia na porta de tantas casas
And Father Aníbal would go and knock in so many houses,
pedindo uma ajuda,
asking for help,
porque os meninos estavam com fome.
because those orphans, they were hungry.
O povo respondia
The people would respond and help
com grande generosidade.
with great generosity.
E Padre Aníbal, quando notava que não tinha mais recursos,
When Padre Aníbal would see that there's no more help,
suplicava
he would supplicate, he would
Nossa Senhora,
pray to Our Lady,
em especial
and especially
Santo Antônio de Pádua,
Saint Anthony of Padua,
para que a divina providência
that the divine providence,
ajudasse naquele momento.
providence would come and help at that moment.
Temos inúmeros
We
exemplos
have innumerable examples
de como a divina providência
of how divine providence
ajudava o Padre Aníbal.
helped Father Aníbal.
Dia,
One day,
a religiosa que trabalhava na cozinha deste orfanato,
the religious mulher,
mulheres,
the religious lady that worked in this orphanage,
encontrou o Padre Aníbal e disse:
she met Father Aníbal and told him,
Padre,
Father,
para amanhã de manhã, para o café da manhã, temos, eram 200 meninos.
so for tomorrow morning for breakfast, it was about 200 boys,
Mas não temos nada para o almoço.
but we don't have anything for lunch.
Por favor, Padre Aníbal,
Please, Father Aníbal,
vai no centro da
go to
cidade,
downtown,
peça alguma coisa,
ask for something,
porque os meninos
because the children,
estão com fome.
they are hungry.
Padre Aníbal respondeu com sorriso.
Father Aníbal answered with a smile,
E não foi em nenhum lugar.
and he didn't go anywhere.
Quando chegou a noite,
When the evening came,
a Madre Superiora
the Mother Superior,
novamente disse:
again,
Padre,
she says,
não
Father,
chegou nada.
nothing came. We don't have anything.
E os meninos amanhã não vão ter almoço.
And tomorrow, the children are not going to have lunch.
São 200 meninos.
There are 200 of them, Father.
Padre, por favor.
Father, please.
Padre Aníbal não foi em nenhum lugar.
Father Aníbal didn't go to any town to ask.
No dia
The
seguinte,
next day,
depois do café da manhã,
after breakfast,
a religiosa,
the religious
com as suas co-irmãs,
with her, the Mother Superior with her sisters,
novamente, Padre,
Again,
não temos nada.
Father, we
Para o
don't have
almoço.
anything for lunch.
Chegou a hora do lanche, do
It's
almoço.
about lunch. It's time for lunch.
Todos os meninos,
All the boys,
200,
200 of them,
foram no refeitório,
they went to the cafeteria, to the place to eat.
mas estava tudo preparado, prato, talheres, copos, guardanapo,
Everything was prepared, plates, the napkin, the cups,
mas nada.
but there was no food.
E os meninos olharam para o Padre Aníbal.
And then the children, the boys, they looked at Father Aníbal.
E Padre Aníbal, com muita calma,
And Padre Aníbal very calmly
disse:
told them,
Meninos,
boys, children,
hoje não temos nada para comer.
today we have nothing to eat.
Não temos nada.
We don't have anything to eat.
Vocês, crianças,
You children,
vão na cozinha.
go in the kitchen.
Veja se tem alguma panela no fogão.
Check if there is a big pan there in the stove.
Vocês, crianças, estão sentindo o cheiro de comida?
Your children, are you smelling you're smelling food?
Mas não temos nada.
But we don't have anything.
Mas Jesus falou:
But Jesus said,
tudo que pedirdes ao meu Pai
everything that you ask,
em meu nome,
everything that you ask the Father in my name,
Ele vos dará.
it will be given to you. He will give it to you.
Então, agora,
So now,
todos vocês
all of you,
me acompanhem.
come and accompany me.
Vamos na capela
Let's go in the chapel
para pedir a Jesus.
to ask Jesus.
Os meninos estavam com fome.
The children were hungry. They were just like, what?
Mas não tinha nada para comer.
There was nothing to eat.
Se levantaram
They stood up
e acompanharam Padre Aníbal.
and they followed Father Aníbal.
Entraram na capela,
They arrived in the chapel.
fizeram algumas orações
They did some prayers
e depois voltaram para o refeitório.
and then they returned to the cafeteria, the lunchroom.
Mas era tudo como antes.
But it was the same as before.
E os meninos estavam com fome.
And the children were very hungry.
Foi quando o Padre Aníbal
It was when Father Aníbal
disse:
told them,
se Jesus não mandou a comida,
if Jesus didn't send us food,
é porque
it's because
alguém de nós não se comporta bem.
some of us here is not behaving.
Alguém de nós hoje contou mentiras.
Some of us lied today.
E os meninos
And the children start pointing.
alguém não fez os deveres na escola.
Somebody didn't do their homework, and they were pointing.
Alguém respondeu à professora.
Somebody answered somebody disrespected the teacher.
Então, crianças,
So now, children,
agora devemos voltar todos na capela,
so now we all have to return to the chapel,
mas não para pedir a
but
comida.
not to ask for food.
Jesus sabe que estamos com fome.
Jesus knows that we are hungry.
Não é surdo,
He's not deaf.
mas nós voltamos agora na
But
capela
now we are going to go right now to the chapel
para pedir
to
perdão
ask forgiveness
pelas nossas faltas.
for all our sins.
Os meninos se olharam com o outro.
The children were looking at each other.
Já tinha
It
passado
was already late.
uma hora.
It was already 1 hour past.
Mas mesmo assim, ele conseguiu todos os meninos na igreja, na capela.
But he actually got everybody in the chapel.
Estavam ainda rezando,
They were still praying,
pedindo perdão,
asking for forgiveness,
quando tocou o sino
when the bell rang
na recepção.
in the reception.
Era carro da polícia,
It was a police car
cheio de panelas com comida.
that police car had so many pots of food filled with food.
E o militar disse ao padre Aníbal:
And the police, the military person, told Father Aníbal,
ontem recebemos a ordem
yesterday we received this order
de preparar almoço
to bring lunch for you, to prepare lunch for you,
para 400 militares
for 400 military people
que estariam de passagem.
that were going to be passing by here.
Mas faz meia hora
But it's about 30 minutes.
que chegou telefonema
So 30 minutes ago, we received a phone call
comunicando que a viagem foi transferida.
that the trip of those people, the military people, was transferred. They were not passing by there anymore.
E o comandante do quartel
And the commander of the army,
mandou entregar
he asked to bring
toda a comida
all the food
para os meninos do Senhor.
for your children.
E os meninos
Then the children,
comeram 2 ou até 3 dias.
the children had food for 2 or even 3 days.
Olha o caminho de Deus.
Look at the way God works.
Padre Aníbal acreditava muito na divina
Father
providência.
Aníbal always believed on divine providence.
O outro dia,
There was another occasion.
o padeiro
The baker
que dava o pão para todos os meninos,
that he used to give bread to the kids, the orphanage,
falou para o padre Aníbal:
told Father Aníbal,
eu não posso mais continuar
I
dando,
cannot continue giving this bread all the time to you
porque eu também tenho operários para pagar.
because I also have employees to pay them.
A partir da próxima semana,
From next week on,
eu não darei mais o pão.
I'm not going to give you bread anymore.
Naquele momento,
At that moment,
religioso
a religious person
disse para o padre Aníbal:
told Father Aníbal,
há dois marinheiros, soldados da
There
marinha.
is two Navy soldiers.
Eles não falam italiano,
They don't speak Italian.
são da França.
They are French.
Querem conversar com o Senhor.
They want to talk to you, Father.
Padre Aníbal perguntou para o padeiro:
So Father Aníbal asked the baker,
quanto devo ao Senhor?
how much I owe you?
300 liras.
300 liras.
Valor muito alto.
It was expensive, very expensive.
Just a minute, aspetta un poco.
Wait a minute.
Padre Aníbal foi conversar com os dois marinheiros.
So Father Aníbal went to talk to the naval officers.
E dos marinheiros,
And one of the naval officers,
que era francês,
which he was French, who was French,
disse ao Padre Aníbal:
told Father Aníbal,
nós passamos por uma grande tempestade no mar,
there was a big storm in the sea.
com o perigo do navio afundar.
There was a very much danger that our ship would drown, go down.
Nós fizemos uma promessa.
I see. We pray and we did a promise.
Se conseguirmos levar navio até a porto seguro,
If the ship would arrive safely into a port,
faríamos uma oferta de gratidão a Deus.
we would do an offer as a gratitude to God for saving us.
Conseguimos chegar ao porto de Messina
We arrived at the port of Messina.
e logo perguntamos: há alguma obra assistencial?
And they readily asked there, close to the port, is there any people that are in need of help here?
Responderam: sim.
They
A
answered yes.
obra do Padre Aníbal
Yes.
Maria de França.
Father Aníbal Maria de Francia is the one that needs.
E eles visitaram o Padre Aníbal
They visited Father Aníbal
e deram para o Padre Aníbal
and gave Father Aníbal
valor em dinheiro.
an amount in money.
Padre Aníbal foi novamente onde estava o padeiro
So Father Aníbal went to the baker
e novamente perguntou:
and asked again,
quanto o senhor deve receber de mim?
how much do I owe you again?
300 liras.
300 liras.
Padre Aníbal pegou 300 liras.
300 liras, here it is.
E o padeiro continuou servindo Padre Aníbal.
And the baker continues serving Father Aníbal.
Vamos a nuestro. Padre Aníbal destacou-se pelo grande amor aos pobres.
Father Aníbal, he was known for his great love to the poor.
Ele era muito inteligente
He was very intelligent,
e não suportava
and he couldn't stand
que o pobre fosse esquecido na sociedade.
that the poor would be forgotten in society.
Dia,
One day,
o prefeito da cidade
the mayor of the city,
baixou decreto
he had a decree
proibindo aos pobres
forbidding the poor people
de pedir esmolas.
to beg.
Os pobres
The poor people
roubavam
then start stealing.
qualquer coisa, até uma fruta,
Even a fruit they would steal.
para ser denunciados na hora. Denunciados, chamar a polícia.
So they were actually captured by police,
E logo eram condenados
and they would be condemned as guilty
a passar 2 meses na cadeia.
they had to spend 12 months in prison just to stealing
Era
food.
isso que o pobre queria,
This is what the poor person wanted
porque
because in jail,
havia café da manhã,
because in jail there was a breakfast,
almoço, janta,
dinner,
cigarro, como se diz, fumo.
cigarettes.
Padre Aníbal ficou violento
Father Aníbal was very upset,
e publicou no jornal da cidade
and he wrote in the newspaper. He published something in the newspaper.
artigo contra o decreto do prefeito.
He wrote an article in the newspaper against the decree of the mayor,
E o prefeito foi obrigado
and the mayor was obliged
a anular o decreto.
to nullify this decree.
Porque Padre Aníbal queria muito bem aos pobres.
Because Father Aníbal loved the poor.
Conhecemos Padre Aníbal pela sua grande caridade
We know Father Aníbal for his great charity,
e, sobretudo, pelo carisma que ele teve
and above all for his charisma
diante do que estava acontecendo na igreja.
and also for what was happening in the church.
Problema muito grave.
There was a serious problem.
Poucos sacerdotes
Little priests, few priests.
e povo imenso.
So there was few priests and a multitude of people.
Ele encontrou no Evangelho
He found in the Gospels
uma frase de Jesus:
a phrase of Jesus.
a messe é grande. Messe,
The message,
o
the
trigo.
I forgot this from the Gospel that the message is grand. It's big, but the labors are few. Right? That's what it is. What is? Let's see if I have.
The harvest is great, but the laborers are
Harvest.
Yes. Can you repeat that?
The
harvest
the
is
harvest,
great, but
great.
the labors are few.
Harvest.
Yeah. Sorry.
Mas os operários são poucos.
But the laborers are few. Yeah.
Rogai ao dono da messe
Rogate. So ask for the Lord of the harvest
para que mande operários
That-
para a sua messe.
that send help to his.
send out the laborers.
Send out the laborers. Yeah.
Da ordem da palavra de Jesus, rogai ao dono, em língua latina, rogate,
So this word rogate,
nasceu a congregação dos rogacionistas.
so from this word rogate, which means pray, it was born his congregation,
Congregation.
rogacionistas, rogationists.
Nós, rogacionistas,
We rogationists,
temos 4 votos:
we have 4 vows:
pobreza,
poverty,
castidade,
chastity,
obediência
obedience,
e oração pelas vocações.
and prayer for vocations.
No final desta palestra,
At the end of this talk,
será dado santinho
I will give you a card, a holy card,
com a oração
with the prayer.
de Santo Aníbal pelas vocações.
So the prayer of Saint Aníbal for vocations.
Eu sou italiano.
I'm Italian.
Hoje na Itália
Today in Italy,
temos padre
there is one priest
cada 1.000 pessoas.
for 1,000 people.
No Brasil,
In Brazil,
onde vivo,
where I live,
padre
one priest
cada 14.000
for
pessoas.
14,000 people.
Eis porque devemos rezar muito pelas vocações.
So we need to pray a lot for vocations.
Deus se serve de todos nós leigos
God waits for us, laity,
para rezar pelas
to
vocações.
pray for vocations.
Dizia grande santo,
A great saint used to say,
amigo de Santo Aníbal,
friend of Saint Anibal,
o presente mais bonito
the most beautiful gift
que Deus pode dar a uma família
that God can give to a family
é de doar-lhe filho
is for this family to give a son
que se torne
that
sacerdote
will be a priest,
ou uma filha
or a daughter
que se torne uma
that
religiosa,
will become a religious nun,
tendo em vista o bem que estas pessoas poderão fazer aos fiéis.
knowing that the good that those religious can do to the faithful.
Eis porque a família deve colaborar
The family needs to collaborate
para conseguir sacerdotes.
to help obtaining more priests.
Eu sou padre há 53 anos,
I am a priest for 53 years,
mas não estou cansado
but I'm not tired
de ser padre.
of being a priest.
Procuro ser sempre útil
I always try to be helpful
para tantas pessoas,
for so many people,
a serviço também da diocese.
the service of the diocese also.
Sou padre exorcista
I am a priest, an exorcist priest,
e sou chamado
and I'm called
a lutar
to battle
todos os dias
every day
com o autor do mal.
with the author of evil.
Quantas pessoas nascem e morrem sem nenhuma assistência do sacerdote?
How many people are born and die without the assistance of a priest?
Em 53 anos de padre,
In 53 years that I'm a priest,
batizei
I have baptized
pouco mais de 28.000
more than
crianças.
28,000 children.
Mas como gostaria ver todas as igrejas com mais padres.
But how I wish I would see churches with more priests.
Na cidade de Milão, na Itália,
In Milan, in Milan, in Italy,
na cidade onde eu nasci,
the city where I was born,
o principal hospital,
the main hospital,
a cada 2 andares,
every two floors,
há padre
there is a priest.
que mora no hospital.
The priest lives in the hospital.
Ao passo que no Brasil,
In Brazil,
quase todas as noites
almost every night,
me chamam para estar perto de quem passa mal.
Almost every night they call me for somebody that is not feeling well and it's about to die.
Por isso devemos todos rezar
So we all should pray
pelas vocações.
for vocations.
Devemos todos, dentro da nossa família,
In our families, we all should
ser os bons operários que Deus manda no mundo.
we should be the good laborers that God sent to the world.
E se dentro da nossa casa
And if inside our homes,
uma criança ou jovem
a child or a youth
manifesta o desejo
has a desire
de,
and is showing
de
that has,
consagrar-se a Deus,
and is showing that has a desire to be consecrated to God,
nós devemos ser
we
os primeiros formadores.
we have to be the first one that is forming and encouraging them.
Em tantos países do mundo,
So many countries of the world,
também aqui nos Estados Unidos,
even here in the United States,
está terminando o período de padres de fora vir para cá.
even in the United States, it's finishing this period that the priests are coming from abroad to here.
Precisamos nós ter os nossos
We
padres.
need to have our own priests.
Por isso eu peço
For
encarecidamente,
this reason, I ask you,
façamos de tudo para rezar pelas vocações.
do everything that you can to pray for vocations.
Há tantos padres
There are so many priests
que deixam o sacerdócio.
that leave the priesthood.
E isto é muito triste
This is
na
very-
história da igreja.
This is very sad in the history of the church.
Tantas religiosas
So many religious
que
nuns
voltam para trás.
that also they leave their vocation.
Tantas pessoas que duvidam da fé,
So many people that doubt the faith.
não acreditam no Papa
They don't believe in the Pope.
e invocam a Deus somente quando há problema.
And they pray to God only when there is a problem.
Eu pergunto para os senhores,
I ask you,
quem dos senhores é padrinho ou madrinha de alguém?
who of you is sponsors of anyone, of children? Sponsor
Batismo.
sponsors of baptism of any children.
Certo. Obrigado.
Thank you.
Agora pergunto para quem levantou a mão.
Now I ask of you who raise your hands,
Quem de nós está dando o devido acompanhamento
Who of-
ao nosso afilhado?
who of us are giving the right support to the children that we are sponsors?
Meu padre levanta a mão.
Meu padre?
Diga-me, meu padre, eu levantei a mão.
Not even Padre Guido raised his hands.
Eu sou padrinho de vários.
I am a sponsor of many.
Como é difícil. Antes da nossa palestra, havia batizados.
Before our talk, there was a baptism here.
Eu perguntaria para o padrinho
I would have asked the sponsor
se está mesmo disposto a acompanhar o seu afilhado.
if you're really ready to support in the faith your child.
Por isso, diante do tema das vocações, saibamos que Deus tem um grande plano sobre cada de nós.
So, diante as vocações?
Deus tem um projeto.
So for the vocations, God let us know that God has a project,
Para
has a
ser,
plan.
exato, para ser pessoas capazes de ganhar a confiança de Deus, é necessário sentir a necessidade de sermos os bons operários.
To gain the attention from our God, we need to be good people that are doing good work.
Por isso, a nossa oração pelas vocações.
So our prayer to vocations,
E nós notamos que quanto mais rezamos pelas vocações,
so we see that the more we pray for vocations,
as vocações vêm.
the vocations, they come, they arise.
E quanto mais sacerdotes nós teremos,
And the more priests we have,
mais pessoas se salvarão.
more people will be saved.
Deus está presente
God is present,
e conta com a nossa oração.
and God, He counts with our prayers.
Santo Aníbal Maria de França
Santa Aníbal Maria de Francia
escreveu muitas orações para conseguir as vocações.
he wrote many prayers so we can have more vocations.
E quem rezava pelas vocações
And-
na época do Padre Aníbal
And who would pray those prayers in his time?
eram os pobres
It was the poor people
e os
and the
pequeninos.
children.
Por quê?
Why?
Porque Padre Aníbal acreditava
Because Father Aníbal believed
que não podia Deus não dar uma resposta a quem não tinha nada.
because God couldn't refuse to give an answer to the people that had nothing.
Por isso, o pobre que não tinha nada,
So the poor that had nothing,
a sua oração era muito aceita para Deus.
so the prayer, it was very powerful to God from these people.
E o mesmo também com as crianças.
And the same with the children.
A inocência das crianças,
The innocence of children,
a capacidade de mostrar um sorriso verdadeiro,
the ability to show a true smile,
a sinceridade de uma
the
criança.
sincerity of a child.
Era a alegria mais bela do Padre Aníbal.
It was the happiness of Father Aníbal.
Dia,
One day,
ele entrou
he entered
no dormitório,
in the
sleeping room,
in the room, in the bedroom
exato, das meninas.
of the girls.
Uma menina de 3 aninhos
A girl of 3 years old,
estava dormindo.
she was sleeping.
Esta menina havia perdido o papai e a mamãe no tremor de terra.
This girl lost her parents in the earthquake.
A menina estava dormindo.
The little girl was sleeping.
E o Padre Aníbal disse para a religiosa que o acompanhava:
And Father Aníbal told the religious nun that was with him,
estamos na hora da nossa oração,
it is time to do our prayer.
da reza do nosso terço.
It's time to do the rosary.
Por favor,
Please,
passe nos vários setores da casa,
go to all the places of the house,
mandando todos na capela no andar térreo.
asking them to go to the first floor in the chapel.
Mas não toque o sino
Don't ring the bell,
para não acordar a menina.
not to wake up this little girl. Por quê?
Para não acordar a menina, né? Que estava dormindo. Olha a delicadeza.
Wow, he was so, even I didn't catch that, but he didn't want to disturb the little girl that lost the parents in the earthquake. So
Os-
don't ring the bell not to wake her up.
Os santos dão uma aula constante a respeito da caridade.
The saints constantly give us a lesson about love.
Não por acaso, quando Padre Aníbal, veio falecer,
When Father Aníbal died,
uma multidão extraordinária acompanhou o funeral.
a multitude of people came for his funeral.
Os médicos haviam proibido ao Padre Aníbal,
The doctors had forbidden Father Aníbal.
com 76 anos,
He was 76 old.
de ter qualquer atividade.
They forbid him because he was 76 years old to be active, too much active.
Padre Aníbal viveu os últimos 2 meses numa casa nos montes.
The last 2 months of his life, he lived in the mountains.
Ele estava com problemas nos pulmões
He had lung problems in his lungs.
e não conseguia nem celebrar a
He
missa.
couldn't even celebrate Holy Mass.
Dia,
One day,
ele começou a gostar
he started liking
do gato.
the cat.
Passava algumas horas por dia
He spent a few hours just touching the cat and caressing the cat,
brincando com
Playing-
o gato.
playing with the cat.
Uma manhã, abriu a porta
So there was one morning that he opened the door,
e o gato
and the cat
estava na frente da porta,
was right there in front of the door,
morto.
dead.
Padre Aníbal sentiu,
Father Aníbal was distressed.
voltou para a sua mesa
He went to his desk
e escreveu:
and he wrote,
acabo de encontrar
I just found out
o meu gato
my cat
morto.
dead.
Eu não sei
I don't know
o que aconteceu com ele
what happened with him
durante esta noite.
during the night.
Talvez foi uma briga de gatos.
Maybe the cats were fighting.
Talvez foi a picada de uma cobra.
Maybe there was snake that bite.
Mas,
But
olhem agora,
but
talvez Deus
maybe God
permitiu
allowed
a morte do gato
his death
porque uma pequena parte
because a small part
do meu coração
of my heart
era para ele.
was for him. Was his, yeah.
Entenderam?
Did you understand?
Olha, né? Quantas coisas
How many things,
nós queremos que fiquem sempre conosco.
how many times we want things or people to be with us.
Também aquele moço do Evangelho,
That young man from the gospel,
quando disse a Jesus,
when he told Jesus,
eu me comporto bem,
I behave well,
faço tanta caridade,
I do so many charities.
o que me falta
What else is missing for me
para ganhar a pátria do céu?
to gain heaven?
E Jesus respondeu,
And Jesus answered him,
vai,
go,
dá tudo aos
give
pobres,
everything to the poor,
depois vem
then come back
e segue-me.
and follow me. He didn't. He turned around and left.
Diz o Evangelho que o moço se afastou
The gospel says that the young man,
porque era muito rico.
he left because he was very rich.
E foi quando Jesus disse,
And it was when Jesus said,
é mais fácil
it is easier
para camelo
for a camel
passar
to go to,
no furo
yes,
de uma
it's easier for a
agulha
camel to go in the eye of the needle than a rich man to enter the kingdom of God.
e nós temos alguma coisa
And us, do we have something
que atrapalha o nosso diálogo com Deus?
that is on the way with our dialogue with God?
Eu nunca teria imaginado,
I never had imagined
quando me tornei sacerdote,
when I became a priest
53 anos,
53 years ago.
e com mês só de sacerdócio,
It was only 1 month that I was a priest.
eu havia 25 anos.
I was 25 years old.
Os meus superiores me
Mas-
disseram,
My superiors told me,
o Brasil precisa de você.
Brazil needs you.
Eu não tenho nem parente no Brasil,
I don't have any family in Brazil, no relatives.
mas não me sinto triste por isso,
But I was not sad because of that.
porque fazer a vontade divina
Because to do the will of God,
é a mais bela realização.
it is the best that you can do.
Amanhã
Tomorrow,
eu darei a
I'm
palestra
going to talk about
sobre a Luísa Picarreta,
Luisa Picareta,
que fez sempre a vontade divina.
that always did the will of God.
E o confessor da Luísa
And the
Picarreta
confessor of Luisa Picareta
era
was
Santo Aníbal,
Santo Aníbal,
o nosso fundador.
our founder.
Eu trabalhei no processo de canonização
I was involved in the process of canonization
de Padre Aníbal
of Father Aníbal,
e agora estou
and
trabalhando
now I'm working on
no processo
the process
de Luísa Picarreta.
de Luisa Picareta.
Conto muito com a vossa oração
I count so much with your prayers,
e quero que amanhã
and I want tomorrow
todos possamos vir.
that you all can come back.
Qual é o horário? O horário?
The time tomorrow? 7 p.m.
7 p.m., 7 horas.
7 horas da noite.
Para conhecer
So you can get to know
a grandiosidade desta
The grand-
santina, como era chamada,
the grandeur of this little saint, as she was called.
eu visitei várias vezes a casa da Luísa
I-
Picarreta
I visited many times where Luisa Picareta lived,
e me veio a vontade de não ir em outros lugares.
So,
permanecer aí.
yeah, I actually didn't want to leave that place when I was visiting her room. I wanted to remain there
Naquele
in
quarto
that room
onde ela viveu
where she lived
62 anos na cama.
62 years in bed.
Padre Aníbal
Padre
a
Aníbal.
visitava frequentemente
Father Aníbal frequently would visit her.
e dentro do
And
quarto
inside her room,
tem armário
there is a closet
que quando se abre
where, when it would be open,
vira altar,
it turns into an altar
aonde Padre Aníbal,
where Father Aníbal,
com a licença do bispo,
with the
Permission,
permission of the bishop,
celebrava todos os dias a missa
would celebrate Mass there every day.
e dava comunhão para Luísa.
And he would give communion to Luisa.
Em 62 anos de doença,
With 62 years of doença,
malatia, doença, enfermidade,
so she was 62 years ill,
sem nunca sair da cama,
never leaving her bed,
o seu estômago
her stomach,
não aceitava nenhuma comida.
she couldn't take any food.
Vomitava tudo,
She would vomit everything
menos a hóstia consagrada.
except Holy Communion.
Até hoje,
Until today,
a ciência
the science
levanta os braços sem explicação.
cannot explain this.
Amanhã teremos a possibilidade
Tomorrow we are going to have the possibility,
de conhecer mais profundamente
more profoundly,
a Luísa
Luisa,
e, sobretudo,
and above all,
a divina vontade.
the divine will.
Deus quer a nossa santificação.
God wants our sanctification.
Esta é a divina vontade.
This is the divine will.
Tantas coisas que acontecem ao nosso redor,
So many things that happen around us,
nós gostaríamos que não existissem.
we didn't want so many things to exist, so many things that happen in our life.
Uma farmácia,
The pharmacy,
hospital,
hospital,
cemitério.
cemetery,
Mas a vontade de Deus
but the will of God
é sempre santa.
is always holy.
Procuremos amanhã entender melhor esta vocação
So tomorrow we are going to try to learn more this vocation,
e assim, com a vossa oração,
and thus with your prayers,
nós, membros do tribunal da igreja,
we members of the tribunal of the church,
encontraremos mais facilidade
it's going to facilitate for us
para colocar Luísa sobre os altares.
to put Luisa in the altars.
Conto muito com a vossa presença
I count with your presence tomorrow,
tomorrow at 7
7 p.m.
o'clock. Muito obrigado.
Thank you very much.